Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In last video, we learned how to read a content of a file in Rust programming language. In this video, number 40, we are going to learn how to write content to the file in Rust programming language. For doing that, we required same packages that we used in reading of file. Same packages we have to use in writing of file also. Let us start another project. So we say cargo new class number 40 and I say write file. cd to this directory 40 cls, then open the main file. Again we have to use the same packages std by fs file, use stdio prelude and use std path like this. Now I need to create a reference or pointer of the file. So I say let r file because we want to write to the file. So you can give any name, but I am giving like this. Then file, then we have a create and we have to specify path here. So for that I can create path variable. So I say path new. Here I pass the same file. So I say, so here I specify the path. So I say src. Under this I have a abc.txt file. Remember that this file is not available right now in src directory, but I will create it. Then I need to specify path. So I say reference of path variable. Then I check if file is not available. So I say expect. We have to check and say cannot create file like this. And after if successfully created, we have to write content to this. So I say w file dot write all function is there. Then we have to write content in binary mode or byte mode. So that's why we have to specify b here. Then I say this is the content for abc.txt file in Rust like this. If not able to write content, so we say expect and here I say can't write to file like this. We are just displaying the error. After that, if everything is okay, then we have to display that file has been created. So here I say file name this is created and I write here path.display like this. Save this and you see that we have this file and try to execute this. So I say cargo run and we need to create again mutable pointer of this file. Once again try to execute and you see that file this is created and we have this file also in src directory and you see content is also there. Remember that we are able to create a file and able to write a content to the file. And if there is some error, suppose if this file is not created, if we have some restriction for creating a file, then it will generate error. If we have some problem to write a content to file, then it will generate this error. If everything is okay, like we executed and suppose I delete this file again and I try to execute it once again more, you will see that automatically this file will create it and we have the same content in a file. That means there is no problem for creating a file, code is running successfully and we are able to display information here. So it is also just a 3 line of code to write content to the file in Rust programming language, but it's little bit difficult. So we have to memorize if we want to learn Rust programming, because Rust is not an easy programming language. It's a difficult one, but more demanding, more useful, and maybe it's a future of C programming language. That's all in this video. If you learned something, please do subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.